Hi, my name is Kelly Brien, and I'm a GSRP teacher at Stepanski Early Childhood Center. We have 3 and 4-year-olds in our classroom, and today we're going to take our class down to the chemistry kitchen, which is in our wonderful new building, the Early Childhood Center that we have, and we're going to make apple pies today. And so with the apple pies, what we're going to work on is we're going to work on measurements, so then they can be able to see following directions, because you have to follow directions with the recipe and go through that. And then they're also going to learn how to use a knife today.
Are we making a big pie or are we making little pies?
We're going to work on, cooperation, because they are going to be standing next to each other, so they're going to have to take turns with stuff too, and just making their own pie, rolling it out, rolling the crust out. This was a great lesson for us to do this week, obviously with the end of the week being a holiday. And the kids have been so excited about being able to make their own pies. They've been talking about it forever.
What are you going to do with your pie?